Morning, we're here in Aiden and George Transient Inn in Marapipi proper. So, having now our calamansi juice with honey. With our honey from Vega. Yeah, very nice.
From Las Vegas.
Honey. Okay. So yeah, so overlooking now the Biliran Island there. So that's Mount Panamao. So a few minutes when we finish, we're gonna cross there, back to the mainland. So this is the hotel in Marapipi Viste. Yeah, very nice here, nice place. So they have a 3 room here, and that's the outside, the highway. Yeah, nice view. There can relax also here. This is the front of the hotel. Very nice. So you can have a breakfast here. You can have cook also. There's a kitchen. Tricycle. Going now to the police station. Motor. Bicycle. Bye bye. Our hotel there. Okay, go now to the police station. We're gonna get our bike. Then we're gonna bike to the port area to ride a motor boat going back to Kawayan. Marapipi police station. So now we're gonna get our bike. So and then we go to the port area. Bike here. Oh, that's all Sir Money bike. That's the police station. So we say goodbye to our police friend in Marapipi. Thank you for the hospitality. Yeah, damo salamat to our police officer in Marapipi, Biliran for accommodating us. Again, we're going now to Kawayan port area. Biking again. Kawayan. So we go now to the port area and ride the boat back to Kawayan. We're now in the port area. We're gonna ride the boat here again. That's weird. The port area of Marapipi. Yeah, beautiful. Marapipi. Famous spot because Marapipi Island are famous of this making of pottery. Yeah. Nice. Giant pot. Lutuanan of paksiw. Yeah, famous here in Marapipi Island. Yeah, we're walking now here and there. Proper of Marapipi. We're going now back to the port. The boat is already leaving now. So we need to walk fast. Yeah. So we're gonna ride now the motorboat. Motorboat back to Kawayan. Yeah, let's go. And the boat back to Kawayan. So we're leaving now. A few minutes. Sarap na. Leaving na.
Okay naman ko.
We're here now, the port area. Kawayan. Back here in Kawayan, port of Kawayan. So now we're gonna bike again, going to the pickup truck. Yeah, nice here, Biliran Island. So we're back here in the mainland of Biliran. So now we go now to Tabunan. Gonna have our breakfast at the house, Ryan House. Get our bike on. Let's go. Back to the our pickup truck. So we're gonna load again our bike in the pickup. Okay. Okay, load now our bike. Ready now, we're going now to Barangay Tabunan. Mom is waiting there. We're gonna eat our breakfast to Ryan place. Okay, let's go. So we're now in Tabunan. Yeah, I'm gonna park our car there. Let's go. Yeah, so we're now in Tabunan. We're going out to Ryan house. Have our breakfast. Barangay Tabunan, Almeria, Biliran. So yeah, sit down.
Happy Father's Day!
Sige, breakfast. Kaya tayo. Sige lang.
Bagong gising ba? Tapos bagong ligo din.
Breakfast now. Yeah.
Oo, di ba kukuyog ka?
Okay. Leaving now. Tabunan.
Wow! Kenny Rogers. Kay mo man na
Oh.
iyan. Favorite niya. Okay.
Road trip now. Going to back to Tacloban. Gonna pass it. Gana. Or maybe Mainit Spring. We are at the Mainit Hot Spring in Kaibiran. So that's the hot spring now. We're gonna sorry. Oh, di na kami. Pasyada kami. Gonna visit now the hot spring.
Patitin.
Pwede itong cook egg.
Okay. Dali na lang lagi.
Hi, Trixo!
Oh wow.
Swimming pool.
Yeah, love na. Oh see?
You got
Wala.
the egg.
Kaya naman egg, wala ganito
I
egg.
want to cook.
Kaya mainit hot spring. Here in Kaibiran. Very hot.
Siguro mga ano to. Sarap daw kayo, sarap daw.
Kuya Jo, kami doon ay bugat na.
39, 40 lang to. 40.
Oh, pasok ko hot.
39, 40, 40 degrees.
Ano kami na text to?
Yeah, like I can do that.
Sige na, yun mo pure cloud load.
When are we leaving, Daddy?
Kayo niya pagkat, sige na.
Leaving na unya.
Unya mga 30 minutes, 1 hour.
Can we make it 2 hours to now, John?
Okay, okay.
Sige na. Hindi mo liha. You have a short?
Nagali kay extra nga clothes, you go na.
Break na.
Have.
Parang mas mainit dito.
Nice. Natural pool. Below there, there's another pool there. The hot spring coming from there. So this is the source of the hot spring. There's a geothermal there. And there's another pool here. See? Yeah, this is for children and for adult. Interesting. Thinking about. Yeah, beautiful. Also fun.
More hot here. More hot.
Nice. Cottage. There. Nice. Oh, na si nanay. Yeah. Nice. Kita gyapon kita. Now here in Kanaan. Yeah, Kanaan now. Now in the Kanaan Hill Farm. Magic fruit? Ito ng Kanaan.
Sabadong hapon.
Cucumber from the farm. Yeah, snack time. Yeah. So bago lang harvest ito. Verde.
You want to be a vlogger?
Kanaan Farm. The entrance. Asa ta? Gonna climb. Nice. Walking here in Kanaan Farm. We go there in the top. Nice. Here many jackfruit here. See the plant. Yeah, many jackfruit here. We will buy jackfruit. Taman miskin nagbawa tulo. Oh. Masya di ubos. Oh, to sayang. Kaya nga ni, oh, taman no. Kakadudunot na nga ni. Kukuha na ito ang kuya. Pwede na tak. Nice. Nice. Okay, go. Where's the pakwan?
Pakwan.
Wow. Oh, that one. Oh. Pwede na ikawanan nito.
Pwede na siya.
Ah, sige, oh. Diba? Kali yung bukat.
You said there's food.
Kaya nga na, this one is food.
I want to go home.
Okay, good. You wait for mommy. Okay na to. Para ipapin niya. Fresh pakwan, no? Yeah. See, we have a pakwan. Sige, ikaw lang. Oh.
Para baligya.
Dili. Kanang
Sige.
Kuha ma'am.
Na.
Bukaon ma'am.
Oh, sige.
Yan.
Kutsilyohon mo.
Oh, luto na ito. Sige, diretso pa.
Sa dulo, sa dulo.
Toto yun.
Ayun, dako.
Dito tayo sa Pinaan Farm. Kain tayo ng
Sige, sige. O yan, sige. Toto.
Ano, sige.
Pwede na, pwede na.
Di man.
Todo na ito, todo ako. Oh. O yan. O, sige. O, sige. Yan, o. Talo na.
Itom na, oh.
Dama mo pakwan.
dunot na mali. Itom na.
Yan.
Tuman.
O, sayang.
Pan-reels, Kuya Nod.
Oh. Oh, pwede din, oh. Yan, ganda, oh. O, dito na yun, dito. O, sige na, gusto mami. Gusto mami! Ah, so nice. Hmm. Kung biri ko na.
Hinog na.
Wala. Ah, black na hinog. Yan, dire pa ni hinog.
Di man. Ayun, Bob.
Pabili nga siya itom. Oh, tila lang itom. Huwag na. Da? Itom? Mana? Ano sa?
Bagang dugo.
Oh, dulo ito na. Oh, sige.
Ah.
Dulo ito. Ano yan?
Red berry ta kay kuan pa.
Red berry?
Red.
Ya, Kuya Nod.
Ano? Tesla berry.
Parang grapes.
Hmm.
Matikim nga, matikim.
Patikim nga.
Hmm.
You want to taste na? You kuan.
Ilaw pa yan.
Yan, natapos.
Uy, may gangin.
Oh, sige. Adiya.
Iklaro ka.
Oh, sige. Hmm.
Tsaka may pugad dito.
Okay.
Pagbakaslo na ko, Kuya John. Ibatahong ka muna ako.
Sige. Dahil kita din eh, kanaan.
Oh, didi kita.
Binyo.
Hilaw.
Ano pa? Jackfruit.
Hilaw pa. Tak-tak ka dahil.
Taktakla. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Sige. Kaya ito. Yan, 1, 2.
Kuya.
Ha! Oh, kaya pwede yan eh. Sige.
Sige.
Suwaman ka. Oh,
Ano?
sige, sige.
Ano?
Oh, sige, 1, 2.
Hari Kuya John.
Oh, mangga na kami. Oh, sige.
Ito ang kuan.
Oh, kusilyo.
Silyo.
Hmm. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, yan. Oh, sige.
Silyo. Susan nga.
Sos. Sige.
Ilan nga ba?
Calberry. Pag ano na yun, haluan na ano, kalamansi.
Pag kumaon kan kahit ano nga kuan, kahit
Maslum.
ano nga maaslum.
Bagagin, matamis.
Matamis.
Ito yun naman, tamis na ito.
Hmm.
Tamis.
Mangga.
Maayo
Ah.
yung flavor sa pambarilas.
Mangga.
Ba?
Ito. Oh, kung mag-aslum.
Going back na kami. Ano ito? Asa? Wala naman na pink man.
Barikiti.
Yung variety lang, sir.
Variety? Ah. Pink lang ganas?
Wow, pinkish.
Oh, wow.
Mabalik na lang kanito magmamamatar.
No, ilang ganas.
Oh, wow.
Pink.
Pink.
Plastic ano?
Ang ganas.
Sir, di man dago kayo.
Ah, gamay lang. Ah.
Pwede magmamat.
Tamis.
Kakain ka muna ng ano nito bago ka.
Oo, matamis. So, aray ka na mamano.
Matamis talaga siya.
Matamis.
Oo,
Bisan daw magkinaong kahin eh.
Ganun kalamansi.
Oo, magkinaong ka na yung kalamansi.
Wala, matamis. Daddy, i-try daddy.
Daw.
It works.
Oh?
Wala, as in, matamis
Matamis ang kalamansi.
Na-amaze ako.
Kami nga, ang general naman dyan po din ni sir.
Hala.
Tuhan ka po yung pati.
Bagandalandan na.
Nadirigya pag kuha na ito. Kain ka
Wala ni tamis.
Hala! Tom is.
Ang kalamansi.
Matamis talaga.
It's very sweet na.
Amoy nit maupay
Healthy.
pagkaon mga bata.
Healthy
Para
ano.
vitamin C. Permanente ka light.
Kalamansi picking. Daw, tanaw kayo mo nakuha. Dagan na. Sige. Ano pa?
Uy, matamis talaga to daddy. Magkuhan ta kay para si Trex.
Sige na, sige na. Oh. So, para ma-healthy si Tex. Ang kalamansi.
Para sila ante liwat
Oh.
makakuan.
Oh.
Sige pa, wala maka-one.
Yeah, may na. Pabo. Pabo farm. Ah. Chicken farm. Farm. Ito sa bisita. Okay. Sige na.
Ang red, kaayo daddy. Ang red kaayo daddy.
Kaya agad, sige na, panguha agad lang. Ayan, so. Ano nga eh?
Miracle berry.
Miracle berry.
Pag mukaong kaani,
Ano pag dugay-dugay?
saan tawag ani daddy? Sa berry?
Ano ba ito? Miracle berry?
Miracle berry.
Miracle berry.
Yeah.
Nag-enjoy ko sa picking. Nag-enjoy ko sa picking, mami. Da. Wala, nahulog na.
Wala, nahulog na. Di na actually. Gamot na niya.
Natagat.
Enough na daddy? Enough na?
Da.
Okay na?
Kamay. Kamay ka, nag-enjoy pa ko. Pwede na ako mag-apply picking sa abroad. No?
This one pa oh, pula.
Tingnan eh.
Sana. Paano siya? Wait na.
Sige.
Tama na daddy?
Ano ka, nag-enjoy pa ko.
Tsunami sa Kanaan Hill sa Biliran.
Ito sa tadir eh. Nag-picking?
Okay na?
Ito.
Oh, this one oh, red.
Sige.
Sige na.
Ito na ito. Sige na. Ito
Okay na. That's a lot. Okay na.
Ito na.
Let me
Pwede
see
pa
daddy.
sabot.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, go.
Da.
Ito na. Ito na. Ito na. Miracle berry fruit. Miracle berry plant. So this is our jackfruit. Iba yung jackfruit and watermelon. And this is the miracle berry. So 2 pieces for 1 peso. Yeah, nice. So we already shopping here at Canaan. Living ng Biliran. We're in Carigara. So we're buying sundang. So we're in it. We're here now in Palo. A picture, man. We're gonna have an generation. Finish eating already. Finish eating already. So later we're going out to the bus terminal, going back to Catbalogan.
Party pa kayo nila. Bride.
Finally back home in Catbalogan. So thank you to Sir Manny, Francisco, and Ma'am Ethel. So see you again for the next adventure here in Samar or Biliran. Thank you for watching. Time to sleep now.